knock most of the times. He's barely arranged to touch you. Yeah, so then, bam, 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 bam.
Even if he slips the punch.
En ik wijs hem met die trap, als ik hard wil trappen, lichaamstrap, ga ik van hier die kant op. Dus rechts direct, dus recht naar voren, streep, als je nee, boom, boom, zie je? Ja. And then just move my angle right away. Set. Ready to jump like that? Jump like that? Straight right hand. But when I do it, I don't jump like this. It takes time. So what I do is I slide.
But he goes. I feel it here on the back of my back. I feel it there. But the kick is hard, it's there. I go in slowly. It's there. That's it. Quick.
Movement here. You can go from here, look. Alright. You know? So this is just to set them off. Don't take time because I'm gonna counter. Remember? When they give you inside low kick, inside low kick, boom. When they jump like that, boom. You know, so you gotta try to play chess. And when I kick, here's what it means. You kick, you, no, hold it. When you go like this, on the last one, you gotta go from the get-go. Just throw it, like I said, loose. And when you kick from here, look what I do with my hip at the last moment. Boom! That's why he feels mine. Yeah, here. Oh, I think you killed someone. Learn things from me.
I see my bro. It's minimal, man.
With this,
My guy walked away.
with this one. But look with me, I haven't kicked in 40 years. Look. Only this one, I hit it with that. So I go here. Boom. Bumping it at the end. Last. Because I make sure that he can't walk through me. When he kicks, you see, you try to go. I can't go through him. He's gonna stop me. And when I kick, boom, and he comes forward, boom, boom. For you guys, not for me.
So when I switch my foot, it's always up here. I always have a back. And by the time